Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for anyone needing a versatile backdrop solution for events, photography, or video recording. We found the EMART rolling backdrop stand and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what is this product? The EMART rolling backdrop stand is a robust and adjustable backdrop holder that measures 10 feet wide by 7.5 feet tall. It's designed to be both mobile and practical, making it an excellent choice for weddings, parties, studio photography, or even video shoots. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. One of the most convenient aspects of this backdrop stand is its adjustable design. It features a metal locking structure that allows you to easily adjust both the height and width with just one twist. You can extend the height from 3.2 feet to a full 7.5 feet and adjust the width from 5.2 feet to 10 feet, providing a flexible solution for different settings. Stability is another key highlight. The EMART backdrop stand includes a horizontal bar at the bottom, which significantly enhances its stability compared to traditional tripod designs. This compact vertical setup saves space, allowing you to move freely without worrying about tripping over stands. One of the most innovative features of this backdrop stand is its wheelbase. This upgrade means you can effortlessly move the stand wherever you need it. Plus, each caster comes with a brake to keep it securely in place when you're ready to set up your backdrop. Durability is also a critical factor, and the EMART backdrop stand does not fall short. It boasts a thickened, sturdy pole that can support various backgrounds, ensuring that it stands strong during your events. Whether you're using fabric, paper, or vinyl backdrops, you can trust this stand to hold them securely. Now, who is this backdrop stand suitable for? It's ideal for photographers, event planners, and decorators. If you're someone who frequently sets up displays or needs a reliable backdrop for video recording, this product is tailor-made for you. It's great for trade shows, birthday parties, weddings, or any event where you want to create a beautiful background. In terms of practical use cases, imagine quickly setting up a backdrop for a family photo shoot, or having a stunning display at an event without the hassle of complicated assembly. The EMART backdrop stand comes with all the necessary parts, ensuring you won't need any extra tools to set it up. You can be ready to go in just a few minutes. In summary, the EMART rolling backdrop stand is an adjustable, mobile, and sturdy solution for all your backdrop needs.